Okay, setting up a ring all Ingroup in your dialer. This tutorial will show you how to set up an inbound Ingroup to ring all agents' phones simultaneously. The first agent that answers the phone will receive the call. This differs from normal Ingroup settings that send the call to only one agent depending on the next agent call setting and does not ring their phone. The ring all group should contain no more than 30 agents. Let's get into it. So on the left here, we're going to click inbound. And we're going to select an Ingroup to change. So we're going to set the next agent call setting to ring all. Queue priority is set to 0 or even. On-hook ring time is set to 15. All these are default settings. On-hook CID is generic. On-hook CID number can be left blank. Fronter display set to yes. Script, we can add a script if we need to. Ignore list override is set to no. Status group override set to none. Get call lunch set to none. Group handling is set to phone. The phone needs to be configured to ring instead of passing the call straight through to the agent. In the admin section on the phones tab, select the phone to modify, and we're going to change on-hook agent to yes. So to do that, we're going to go to admin. We're going to go to phones. We're going to select the phone we want to ring when an inbound call comes in, just as an example. And we are going to set on-hook agent to yes. And then hit submit. And it's asking for a new password for the phone. So on-hook agent is set to yes. Once we've done that, when the agent logs into the Ingroup, they are part of the ring all group. Unlike a normal agent, their phone won't ring during the initial connection due to the settings. Now, each time a call is routed to a ring all Ingroup, the agent's phone is going to ring. This can be enabled for remote agents as well. In the remote agent section, what we're going to do the same thing. Remote agents. We're going to select one of our remote agents. And we set on-hook agent to yes. And it'll do the same thing. So if we have an agent working remote, it'll ring this number when a call comes in inbound. So you must note, though, that agents should staff either normal Ingroups or ring all Ingroups, but not both at the same time. The on-hook agent feature, or rather the on-hook agent phone feature, is intended for very light call volumes only. This is because the calls are routed slower and the load on the system is much higher than standard call queuing to agents that are using off-hook phones. That is how you set up a ring all Ingroup in your Freevoice dialer.